Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be making carrot and almond cake. This carrot and almond cake is actually a gluten free cake, but it's free for everybody. And this cake is so delicious. I hope you're going to try this cake and let me know what you think about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. God bless you all. So guys, like I always do, I'm going to be leaving the recipe at description, so make sure you check it out. Okay, yeah, it's just almond flour, carrot, and the rest of them. Just check it at the description. So the first thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to separate the egg yolk from the egg white, and the egg yolk is going directly into the sugar. So go ahead and separate the egg yolk from the egg white. Okay, so after doing that, add that lemon zest, like one lemon, grate the lemon, add the lemon zest into the sugar and egg, add a pinch of salt inside as well. Then fix your blender or mixer and start whisking them until they are well creamy. Make sure when you are creaming your batter with whether hand mixer or hand mixer, make sure you scrape them down often. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding the cornstarch mixed together with baking powder into the egg sugar mixture. So I'm going to go ahead to add them all, like add them and continue whisking until they are well combined before I can go ahead to add the other ingredients. Here I'm trying to scrape them down to make sure that there is no, I'm not going to have too consistency of batter here. So make sure you everything is well mixed before you can go ahead to add the almond flour. So now I'm adding the almond flour into the batter. You can add them batch by batch. Okay, just make sure you add them. And the almond flour, I mixed it together with the cubed almond. I also have the remaining one here, which I'm going to be throwing inside there, and I'm going to cream this mixture for a couple of minutes. Then I will start adding the carrots on. So I just set that aside after creaming them. Now I'm putting a drop of lemon into the egg white, like 2 drops of lemon into the egg white. I'm going to cream or whisk them until they are cloudy, just like what you can see here on the camera. Okay, so here we go, back to the main batter. I added the carrots, like I don't add all the carrot, I add batch by batch. Okay, so now the carrot inside, egg white inside. I'm going to continue mixing this mixture until all the carrots and all the egg whites are combined, like all of them are well combined. Okay, so that is what I'm going to be doing here. So I'm going to set that hand mixer aside. I love to use whisk to finish up, or spatula. So just make sure, the important thing is that this batter is well creamed, like all the ingredients are well combined. This is very, very important. All the carrots and all the egg whites are already inside the batter. So now the next thing I did, I buttered the pan, and I put a little bit of almond flour to the pan. So I've already preheated my oven at 180 degrees. So just make sure you preheat your oven first. So I'm going to place this on a preheated oven and allow them to bake until they are well cooked, which is going to take about 40 to 45 minutes. So here the cakes are out of the oven. You need to allow them to cool down completely before you can remove them from the pan. Okay, so here they are well cooled, like they've cooled down completely here. So I'm just trying to take them out of the pan. So here is the back of the cake. They're out of the pan, and this is when the powdered sugar comes in. So I just want to sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar. If you don't like powdered sugar, just skip this step, okay? If you like powdered sugar, just sprinkle a little bit of it. You can even turn the cake over to the other side, whichever way you want, guys. So yeah, I'm going to slice it for you guys to see the inside the cake. This cake is so delicious, and it's gluten free, and it's good for everybody, especially kids. I hope you will give it a try. Really, you are going to enjoy this cake, and your kids are going to enjoy it as well. So make sure you give it a try and let me know what you think. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Share this video if you like it. Bye.